Today I bought my first electric toothbrush. It is Oclean X Pro. Let's see what is inside and how does it look. I'm gonna open the green one. Okay, I'm on it. Color mist green. Package very beautiful. Okay, here it is. Touch screen. Cover for brush. Soft. Charging spot. Small instructions on a sticker. You can swipe it up and down and left to right. Quick select, start and confirm. Let's take it off. Let's put it there in case I need it. My first deal with electric toothbrush. Let's see how to start it. Looks like clock, battery, clean for 2 minutes. Here it shows what to clean, I suppose. Let's try to start it. Modes, clean, white, massage. Okay. Version. I can set brushing time, strength, I have to learn. Here I can set how long. Okay, interval is 30 seconds, shortest time for 2 minutes, max 3 minutes. Okay, for first time 2 minutes will be okay. Oh, I locked it, unlocked. Okay. Oh, it's starting. Nice, and it is paused now. When I press for longer, it allows to go to menu. I can see what I have cleaned. And what I have to do first. I suppose you always have to do it in one way. In that way it remembers. I have to set time, but it's possible available in the application, because this toothbrush also has an application. Okay, it goes in sleep quickly. I can only lock it. I don't know if I can turn it off. I think it goes to sleep by itself, and that's the only way how to turn it off. Let's move on. How to detach this? I don't know. Maybe let's check for an instruction. Okay, here is a charger and also statue in one. It can be mounted to the wall with sticker. Oh, works like that. Magnet here and like this. What type of charging port? Oh, it's micro USB, not type C. Okay, let's move on. And here is charging cable. Not very long, half a meter probably. But looks good. how to search for a place where to charge it, and also needs a plug-in for it. Let's put it back. This is right. What else is there? Interesting instruction. Big one. So what we can do here? You can set a brushing plan. Mode settings, 32 levels of cleaning intensity. You can check brushing records in app. It will also show a brushing performance. So you can do a lot in application, and here is shown how to use it as the best. What is on the other side? Nothing special. So I have to start to use it. And that's it for now. We have checked everything.